Okay guys, on May 13, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of sedum dendroideum. It is also called as the tree stone crop. Now you can see that it is an old plant of around 2 years and it has multiple branches. Now we will try to propagate it from the stem cutting. So this is our first cutting. Now this one is our second. Okay, we have taken 2 of our cuttings and they are like 2 to 3 inches or just 2 inches. Okay, so now we will try to propagate these cuttings inside the mixture of sand and soil, simple garden soil. So now we have to keep these cuttings in shade for certain days in order to heal up. So now these cuttings are in shade and we have to wait for several days. Okay, on May 29, 2024. I am dubbing my voice on the videos. Videos are made on respective dates. Okay, now these are 3 pots and these are our healed cuttings. I have taken one more cutting, although it is not in the video which I have recorded, but I have taken one more. So now our media is there which is dry, and first we have to give a lot of water so that all the media will get properly soaked. Now you can see that the water just seeps down and it will come from the bottom holes. Why it is like that? Because our media is having a very much good drainage. Okay, like this. And one more thing, that you are not supposed to touch the leaves of the succulents with the soil or media, because it can cause certain fungal rot. But in my area or in my experience, I don't think it is. Usually the leaves we use to touch the media can become rotten, but still they do not use to affect the plants. Okay, on July 11, 2024. Now you can see that these are our results. All the 3 plants are grown properly. Okay, and we can see a little bit of progress on the root side as well as on the shooting side. So now you can see that how much good our root bowl is. Okay, I like this. And now we also need to go for the second one. The second one also has good growth on shooting side, and it also has certain small baby or small offshoot. Okay, small offshoot. Okay, now you can see the root bowl of this cutting and it is very good. Root bowl, roots are very healthy and very good. Now we have, now I am just showing you. Now we will go for our third one. It has grown multiple branches. It has grown multiple branches. So now you can see that it is having a very good root bowl. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the sedum dendroideum or tree stone crop sedum from stem cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.